This time, nature's own first aid. Yarrow for wounds. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. Ever wonder if you could handle an unexpected emergency, far from modern help? In a survival situation, a simple cut or scrape can become a critical threat. But what if nature held the secret to your first aid? That's right! You don't need a fully stocked medical kit to be prepared. Today, we're unlocking ancient wilderness survival wisdom to make you your own medicine man. Meet Yarrow, also known as the warrior's herb. This incredible plant is a powerful natural remedy for minor wounds. It's known for its incredible ability to stop bleeding and prevent infection, all from the wild. How to use? Pick a few yarrow leaves, ideally the top ones, about 5. Chew them thoroughly into a pulp to release their potent medicinal properties. Then, apply this pulp directly to the wound. Watch as the powerful ingredients work to stop the bleeding and initiate the natural healing process, keeping harmful bacteria at bay. Remove after about 20 minutes or apply a new pulp as needed. Learning about medicinal plants is a vital survival skill that empowers true self-reliance. Don't just survive, thrive. Take control of your preparedness journey. Like this video, subscribe for more survival tips, and start researching how you can become your family's natural medicine expert.